Every person in this world want money, and at the same time they have some fear of losing money, isn't it? Most of the people think about their life after retirement, that how they can survive with only their savings. Due to financial problems, people get stress and depressions. We will share with you in this video difference between rich mindset and poor mindset, and also some financial knowledge from the book Rich Dad and Poor Dad, written by Robert Kiyosaki, so that you can get some financial literacy. You need to know the difference between asset and liability, so that you can only invest in assets and avoid liabilities. Most of the people will fall into financial problems because of not knowing what is an asset and what is liability. We will discuss all these details in this video. Now we will discuss how can we become rich and the difference between rich mindset and poor mindset. The rich don't work for money. When we ask about money, poor mindset says, use your brain, you will understand. It's simple. Study well and get a job. Whereas rich mindset says, get the financial knowledge, otherwise you end up working for someone for salary and promotions. Think positively always. Poor mindset says, I can't afford it, whereas rich mindset says, how can I afford it? So don't decide and take a decision that you can't. If you are thinking about how to get that, use your brain, try to find ideas to get it. Always better invest in any asset. By that asset, you have to get some income. That is the rich mindset. That means rich won't work for money, but money works for them. So how to make assets? It is definitely a simple logic, making money from one source and developing it into massive income. It also includes lowering expenses, which helps in developing massive income, which is nothing but assets. Once you get that logic, you will get your income even when you are in sleep. Examples for assets are business, stocks and mutual funds, income generating real estate. The poor mindset people have more expenses when compared to their income, which ultimately leads to their financial problems. So one wrong step could drag the whole family into a problem. Get financial knowledge. Now we will see what is financial literacy is. First one, profit and loss, which means income and expenses. Second one, balance, which means assets and liabilities. Now we will see about income. Where's people get income? Doing job, work for salary in any company by investing time and energy. Self-employment, work for them by investing their knowledge. Business, they get workers to work for them by managing the business. Investors, they get money by investing their money in businesses. Here, employed and self-employed people work for money, whereas business people and investors make money work for them. So, profession pays the bills, whereas business and investments make you rich. Now we will talk about spending. Ways people spend money. Poor mindset get the income and spend all for their daily expenses. This category relies on their job. Without it, they can't afford to live. If poor mindset gets some financial literacy, they may get some savings which will help them to survive few months without job. We call them middle class mindset. These category people mostly end up paying to their liabilities like car, EMI, loans, etc. But rich mindset always teach the children that our income should be more compared to expenses, and even it should not be equal. invest more, and make much income, which helps in making assets. Rich mindset invest their income in assets like business, real estate, stock market, etc. These category people get regular income from their assets. So, what we understand here is poor mindset says get a job to get money, that means work for money. Whereas rich mindset says invest money to get money, that means make money that work for you. Understand the tax code of your country. There are ways you can save money if you understand tax code and by investing the money non-taxable assets like real estate. Property price grow, but you don't need to pay tax on growth of your property value increment. Work for you, not for your company. Some people study hard, get a job and works for their boss. They end up in cycle of rat race. To come out of this rat race, there is a way. That is financial literacy. So you should identify the opportunities available to you, learn to create wealth, take suggestions from financial professionals. Don't think about fear and don't be greedy. Everyone have fear of investing some money in other platforms, but by managing the risk, we can come over that fear. In this world, everyone is greedy. Yes, it sounds bad, but it's true. Everyone is greedy about money. We have to keep one thing in our mind. You are not working for money, money have to work for us. Don't work for money, but work to learn. Poor mindset says know more about less things, whereas rich mindset says know less about more things. That means if you get expertise on one particular sector and ignoring other things, you will rely on that sector. If circumstances force you to change the sector, you can't work actively in other sector. If you want to know more, you can read Rich Dad Poor Dad, book written by Robert Kiyosaki. Now we will revise the important points in this video. You need to know the difference between asset and liability so that you can only invest in assets and avoid liabilities. Rich won't work for money, but money works for them. Get financial knowledge. Work for you, not for your company. Don't think about fear and don't be greedy. Don't work for money, but work to learn. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.